Hi, this is Miss Black and I'm back with you with Primary Art, lesson number 9, which is nature painting. This morning when we went on our nature walk, several of the items that we found are what I'm going to use to go ahead and do a quick painting. So, some of the items we found were magnolia leaves. This is an evergreen, and this is Japanese red maple. On our supply tray, I have water for cleaning the brushes. I have the sponge to dab the brushes on. I have a paper towel to rest the brushes on, and I have the paint that I chose, which I have white paint, violet paint, and green paint. I'll go ahead and move my tray up. I have selected a light blue paper to put some artwork on. And I think I'm going to start with my evergreen. And I'm going to dip my evergreen into green paint. And see what I can make. This art activity can lend itself to quite a bit of creativity for the students. You never quite know what pattern you're going to get from your chosen nature piece. But you just kind of try different things, see what you like. I'm going to try my maple leaves inside the white paint, see what that does. Kind of an interesting look. You can use all sorts of things. You can even use flowers. Have the petals actually into the paint. Then I'm going to take a paintbrush and I'm going to put some violet on the back of my paint, or on the back of my magnolia leaf. And see what it does. You can see I'm just coating the back. And I'm going to, I think, just press down and see what the stamp looks like. Like I said, you can use anything from nature. And sometimes the nature will fall off, and I'm going to wash my paintbrush real quick. Sometimes it'll fall off right into the painting. Like I can see flower petals or flower seeds falling off into it. I'm going to dab it on my sponge and lay it right there. I'm going to take this, I think, and I'm going to put it right through the center. I'm just going to rub it really well. See what it comes out as. This is one of the messier activities. You'll get paint on your fingers. So I have a few wet ones that I have to the side. Wow, that was interesting. Let me grab a wet one. Wipe my fingers a little bit. So this is a nature painting. And let you have a look at it. They always come out very unique, but the children seem to really like seeing what kinds of paintbrushes and stamping that they can do with something out of nature. And that concludes lesson 9.